Do you want to create animations like that? CSS animations are lightweight, easy to implement, and run smoothly in modern browsers. Look at what you can do with pure CSS.
Nice.
There are two primary ways to create animations in CSS. Using transitions, best for simple state changes, such as hover effect. Using keyframes, best for more complex animations such as moving elements. Let's look into transitions. To element with class button we add the following styles, then add hover state to specify what color should be when hovered. And then we add transition property to specify how long should the transition last. When user hovers over the button, the background color smoothly changes from blue to red over 0.3 seconds. When you need more complex animations, keyframes are the way to go. Keyframes define the steps of an animation by specifying how an element should look at different points during the animation. Defines an animation sequence with 3 stages: 0%, 50%, and 100%. The element starts in its normal position. At the midpoint of the animation, the element moves up by 10 pixels. The element returns to its original position. The box element applies the bounce animation, which lasts once and repeats infinitely.
Oh my